it's me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, 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 yak. Man down, where you from? Fuck who you roll with, you war, you fuck, mafia. Man down, where you from? Fuck who you roll with, from my nigga. Where your grandma stay, from my nigga. This my city, I run my nigga. Brace yourself, I take you on a trip down memory lane. This is not a rebel, I'm slinging crack or moon cocaine. This is cold as second, plenty cognac and major pain. Not the drill sergeant, but the stress that when you knew your brain. It was me, I'm boogie, yeah, Raji Lucky, ride down Roach Cause it got ugly, waving your hand out the window, check yourself. Warriors and coldness, hope euphoria can slow dance with society. The travesty, the first one to get killed. Seen a light skin nigga with his brains blown out.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello? I have a woman in distress.
Are you in Los Angeles?
Glendale,
Where at?
Colorado and Verdugo, heading northbound on Verdugo. License plate is 6RTN. 1 second. 6RTN, I'm sorry, 6RTW.
I can't understand you. Your phone. It's 6 Robert Tom William.
6 Romeo Tango Whiskey 617, dark gray Mercedes.
Northbound Verdugo.
Yes, passing Broadway.
What is the car?
It's a woman and a man.
What color is the car?
Dark gray.
What's going on?
She was running from him. She had her lip busted. Other people were trying to stop him, but he's
It started in Los Angeles on York, right?
I'm not sure right now.
Okay, is it a Mercedes?
Yes.
Is she inside?
Yeah, she's inside right now.
Okay, hold on 1 second, okay? And it's occupied by male and female.
Okay, he is pulling into an Arco. He's in the back of it right now. He's parked. I think he's trying to hide out.
Hold on. Does he know you're following them?
Yes, they know. Arco, Verdugo and Wilson.
Hold on. Did you guys see him hit her?
I didn't see her. She was trying to run.
Okay. Did he grab her and put her in the car?
No, she got back in the car. She was yelling and I'm not sure exactly what was going on, but other cars tried to stop him, but he just took off.
Hold on 1 second.
He's pulling out right now.
Any weapons seized?
Not that I know of right now, but he's
Arco gas station?
yeah, he's pulling out right now.
Hold on, listen. Verdugo and Wilson, the gas station?
Correct.
Okay.
He's heading
Going
northbound.
north to south.
He's heading northbound Verdugo right now.
What's your name?
Angel Gonzalez.
And what's your phone number in case we get disconnected? I need to call you back.
714-631-6989. She got out of the car. Now she's walking southbound on Verdugo. Running southbound on Verdugo. And he's getting out of the car.
Is he following her?
No, he's just pissed off. Got back in the car.
Is she white, black, Hispanic?
She looks to be okay, he's continuing to follow her.
What he looks like. I have officers on the way.
He's going eastbound on Stanley.
Tell me what she looks like.
She's looks like Hispanic, red
Okay,
top,
tell me what color her shirt is.
red top, black shorts. White shorts.
White shorts?
Yeah.
Where's she now?
She's arguing with him.
Are they still at
Stanley right now. Currently on
Going
Stanley. Yeah, she's going. I'm gonna see if I could block him in.
Sir, listen to me, please. Can you please listen to me?
Sure.
Okay, I appreciate all the information you're giving me, but I need to make sure my units are going to the right place.
I'm
Is she at Vertigo and Stanley?
correct. I'm blocking him right now.
Okay.
I'm blocking this.
Okay,
I'm
I don't
blocking.
want, listen to me. I do not want you to intervene because I don't want you to place yourself in danger, okay? So
Okay.
if you feel like you're in a bad situation, please don't place yourself in that situation. You don't know if he has a weapon.
It's okay. He's honking at me right now. I'm behind a truck. Okay, he just went around me, heading northbound on Verdugo.
Is she in the car with him?
No, she's just going around. I think he lost her.
Do you know where she went?
No, I don't, because I was blocking him.
Okay, what kind of car are you in?
Toyota Prius,
What color?
gray.
Put on your emergency lights.
They are on right now at the moment. Okay, he's running. She's running back to him, yelling at him through the passenger window. On Verdugo, northbound
When
Wilson.
you see an officer, listen to me. When you see an officer, I want you to honk.
Okay, I will.
They're now at Vertigo Wilson.
Correct. They're northbound of Wilson on Verdugo. Okay, there's an officer heading southbound of Verdugo. Black Mercedes. Oh, he's running. He's running into a parking structure. Oh yeah, he's stuck.
Running.
He's not going anywhere. He's not going anywhere. It's a
Does the
dead.
officer have him?
No, it's completely closed off.